In 1997, microphones on opposite sides of an ocean picked up the same sound at the same instant. It was louder than a blue whale. Louder than anything alive should be. And then it was gone. This is the story of the bloop. To understand it, you have to understand where it was heard. During the Cold War, the United States Navy laid hidden microphones across the floor of the Pacific. Their job was to listen for enemy submarines, for the low grind of engines moving through deep water. After the war, scientists were handed the keys to this network, and for the first time, they could hear the ocean the way it really sounds. What they heard was a world full of voices. The groan of shifting ice. The song of whales calling across thousands of miles. The slow crack of the seafloor itself. And then, one day in the summer of 1997, they heard something new. The sound rose quickly in pitch, then fell away, all in about a minute. A wet, rolling, organic kind of sound. The kind of sound a living thing might make. It was detected by sensors thousands of miles apart, which meant whatever caused it was almost unimaginably powerful. So they gave it a name. The bloop. And here is where the mystery took hold. The sound had the rough shape of an animal call. But if an animal made it, that animal would have to be larger than any creature science has ever recorded. Larger than the blue whale. Larger than anything we believe could exist in the deep. For years, that question sat unanswered. The deep ocean is the least explored place on Earth. We have better maps of the surface of Mars than we have of our own seafloor. And in that darkness, it is easy to imagine that something enormous is moving, just out of reach of our instruments. But the story does not end in mystery. As the years passed, scientists kept listening. They recorded more of these sounds, and they noticed something. The bloop matched, almost exactly, the signature of icequakes, the violent cracking and breaking of massive icebergs as they fracture and scrape against the seabed near Antarctica. The leading explanation today is that the bloop was the sound of ice, not a creature. And yet, the ocean keeps making sounds we cannot immediately name. Every year, hydrophones capture rumbles and pulses that take time to explain, and a few that have never been fully explained at all. The bloop reminds us of something humbling. We share this planet with a vast, dark, almost unknown world, and we have only just begun to listen to it. So the next time you stand at the edge of the sea, remember. Beneath that calm surface lies a place we barely understand, full of sounds still waiting to be heard. If stories like this keep you wondering, subscribe and stay with us. There is always more down there in the dark.